What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'm going to show you how to draw and color Banana Joe from the amazing world of Gumball. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. Starting from the very top, go all the way around towards the bottom of our circle, and then bring that back up towards the top. Now I want to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So we'll line this up, and all the way around towards the bottom, and back up towards the top. Let's push the pupils towards the outside of the eyes. Starting from the outside edge on the left, draw a smaller circle, going around, and then bend that back out. Then on the outside of the right eye, come in, and then out, and it'll fill the inside of the pupils. Now with the eyes in place, let's move down and draw the top edge of the mouth. We'll start directly underneath the left eye. Start with the curve coming down, and we'll bend that up towards the right. Let's round up the side of the mouth, coming around, and just pulling that in towards the bottom. And we'll connect the ends with another curve, coming down towards the bottom of the mouth. We'll round this out, and then pull that back up towards the right. Now we're going to give our character some thick lips, so we're going to trace the mouth along the inside. We'll start on the top left. Just try to leave an even spaced gap going all the way around. Bring that down towards the bottom. Now round up the bottom of the mouth, and then bring that back up towards the right side. Let's add 3 teeth along the top. We'll start right in the middle with a half circle, coming down and up. Go back over toward the left, come down and up toward the left. We'll add 1 more tooth on the right side. Now from here we're going to draw the left side of the banana. Let's go up to the top of our page, over towards the right. Just going to curve this around the face. Just bring that down along the side. And curve this back down, and then out towards the right side, towards the bottom of the banana. Now we're going to move back up and round out the top of the banana. Coming around, and just bending that in. Let's come down the right side, just around the head, come down, and just taper that out towards the bottom. Let's close off the bottom with a slight curve. Let's go back up to the top and draw the stem of the banana. Start from the top of this curve, then it's out, and then up, come down. Just going to widen this out towards the end. Close off the top with a curve. Now I'm going to add a bevel across the top right and the bottom of the banana. I'm going to start up here, just going to bend this around, and just pull that in towards the eye. And then from the bottom right corner, going in, and then up towards the mouth. Let's add those eyebrows above each eye, starting with a curve, going up and in. Now I want to round up the ends of the eyebrow, to give this some thickness, and close off the top with another curve, and we'll fill the inside of the eyebrows. Now let's move to the side of the body and draw on the arms. We're going to start on the left side, start with a curve going out, round up the arm, and then bend this back in. Let's round out the tip of the arm. I'm just going to follow that curve along the inside, just to add some thickness to the arm. Just pull that in, and we'll fill the inside of the arm in black. Let's line up the inside of the arm over on the right, curve the arm going out, round up the arm, and just pull that in. Let's round up the inside of the arm, and we'll trace the arm going back up and in toward the side of the body, and then we'll fill the inside of the arm. Now let's add 2 fingers going out towards the side. Start from the left, angle this up and out. on the inside, come in, round up the tip of the finger, and then pull that back down, and we'll fill the inside. Let's add 2 fingers on the right. Coming down and in, round up the finger, go back towards the arm, and fill in the inside. Let's go all the way down to the bottom and add the legs. We'll start on the bottom of the body on the left side, curl the leg going out, and then bend that down. I'm going to line this up over on the right side, going out and then down toward the same height. Let's flatten off the bottom of the leg with a short line. Now we'll trace the legs along the outside, coming back in towards the body. Let's fill the inside of the legs. Now let's add some color to our character. We'll start with a light gray and fill in the inside of the lips. And we use a light pink for the inside of the mouth going around the teeth. Then I'll use a greenish yellow and just fill in the tip of the banana. And we'll use our yellow to fill in the rest of the body. I'm going to use a light brown marker and add some spots across the banana. And then we'll finish off by signing our artwork, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw and color Banana Joe. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. You can also drop your request in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.